So here's how to make money with Studypool. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Chrome browser, and then here you have to simply type in Studypool, and after that you have to click on the very first link. Studypool offers various ways to earn money from it. Here you can earn money via selling your documents, and you can even earn money by answering the simple questions. On Studypool, you can also earn money via tutoring other students. Studypool is a platform where students can ask academic questions and receive answers from tutors. If you are interested in making money on Studypool, you can sign up as a tutor and offer your expertise in various subjects. To earn money via selling your documents online, you have to simply click on the upload document option. Then you also have to sign up to the Studypool account. Here you can upload your class notes, old homeworks, exam, quiz and other notes. Whenever someone views your document, you will get a $10 or £10. Studypool also gives you the money on each download of your document. If you want to provide your tutoring services, you have to create an account on the Studypool website and complete your profile highlighting your academic background and expertise. Here, as you can see, the top contributors of the Studypool that have earned a huge amount from it. They only earned this huge amount via simply uploading their documents. If you are knowledgeable and comfortable in teaching, it's important to focus on areas where you have expertise. Browse through the questions posted by students in your chosen subject. Provide well-researched and accurate answers. Make sure your answers are comprehensive and helpful to the students. So that's how to make money with Studypool.